What's that?
Hello, let's open the box. My earliest memory of Star Wars was when the Phantom Menace was released. Me and my brother were gifted this wall calendar of Anakin standing in the sand with a shadow that then projected not his silhouette but the silhouette of Darth Vader. At that point, me and my brother just had that calendar on a wall hanging, but we both actually haven't seen the actual movie. But I already knew, having just that calendar on the wall, that I love Star Wars. I don't know why. One day it was finally on a TV. That little Thangys just found his first love. I still remember vividly the scene at which my father came in the room and switched the program to some other. Can you believe that I was just watching the first love of my life? It was actually the scene when Anakin was sitting in that yellowy bomb fighter, which then flew to the space. And here I am 20 years later, having my own Christmas time. It says 6+, which I am. Let's go. I'm so excited to open it. It's the advent calendar, right? So now we need to find number 1. Here it is. Let's open it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's that? Can you guess what this is gonna be from? Just the not assembled parts. Yes. Okay, so look at that. I'm recording this on 15th of September, which means that now I would have to open all those days. You see how I was so committed to wait with you guys to start opening it. Otherwise, I would just, start from the very 1st of December. But let's move on. Number 2. Oh my god! Love. See? Oh my god! 3, 2, 1, boom! That. So happy. I'm so happy. Look at this guy. Okay. What the? Wow! And now let's go with number 4. It can be. So I guess that I don't know if I love this more or the other guy. Yep, that's the beautiful droid. See if it's actually. Oh my god, let's go. Is again super awesome. This is so cool. Number 7 is 8 left. Well, so far so good. It's gonna be pretty straightforward, I guess. Haha. Yeah. Really cute as well. Well. Let's see with Darth. Ah, so cute. Oh. Ooh. Oh my god, this color. The shovel. That's so funny. So let's go. What? It's ready. This was just pure joy with you today, guys. The Star Wars in combination with Lego is just something that I have a huge weakness for. So have a great holidays. Enjoy your free time. Get some rest. And Thang is